I am Nicole.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
24. Where are you from?
From Manila.
From Manila. What is your first impression in this place?
Um, the ambience is so peaceful and so nice.
What do you do on your free time?
I play mobile games, read, and also do some backlogs due to work.
Mobile games
Like Mobile Legends or Call of Duty Mobile.
what did you learn from your experience? From your past experience?
Past experience.
Yeah, in life.
In life, learn from it and then change for the better.
Okay. Do you like adventurous things?
Yes, of
Like for
course.
what? What example?
Any adventure, like outdoor activities, like hiking or anything.
Did you hike before?
Yes.
What are the things that you enjoy doing?
Um, traveling.
Can I ask you if you're single or in a relationship?
Single.
Is it lonely?
Of course. I know. Currently, no.
And if you could choose a guy, do you want an Asian guy or foreign guy?
Um, Asian guy.
Why?
Um, I honestly don't know, but I think there are I think we will have similarities.
In culture, something like that.
Yes.
For your future partner, what kind of qualities are you looking for?
Um, as long as we vibe, I think we will get along.
Do you go on dates sometimes?
Um,
Date.
Date,
Do you go?
uh, it depends. Oh, who's gonna ask?
What kind of date do you like? Movie or
Anything. Any dates. I think I prefer outdoor activities dates.
what do you do for your job?
What do I do for a living?
Yeah, your job.
What's my job? I am currently under budget.
What would be your dream job if you could choose anything?
My dream job. Ever since my dream job is like travel video editing, like while I'm traveling, then video content creator maybe somehow.
Do you travel outside Philippines?
Outside Philippines, not yet.
But you have plans.
Yes, of
What
course.
country?
Um, Particularly number one is Japan.
Japan. What do you like about Japan?
The place. And I love watching anime, so like going there will be a dream of mine pala.
Are you saving a bit of money to travel to those places?
Now, none. But I'm saving. We'll get there. I'm getting there.
I'm rooting for you. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
In 10 years, 24. Probably I'm 34 years old. So I think I'm in a job that I love and living the life that I wanted.
Where do you bought that bracelet? The
This the block one from someone special. And then this one, I bought this through online. It's just beautiful rainbow.
I see. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks.